It's hard to think of a time when you couldn't flick a switch and light up an entire city. But in the late 1800s, Australia's first coal power plants could only power a single street. We've come a long way since then. What started with streetlights and a handful of generators has grown into a vast, interconnected energy network powered not only by coal and gas, but increasingly by wind, solar, and even rooftop systems. Our electricity grid is more sustainable and reliable than ever before, but it's also more complex. Smart meters help us manage and optimise electricity usage across the network, and they also give you more control over your energy consumption and costs. What does a smart meter do? A smart meter is a digital device that measures your electricity usage at regular intervals and transmits the data to your retailer. With an analogue meter, if someone couldn't physically look at your meter, your electricity bill would be based on an estimate. A smart meter sends the data directly to your retailer, so you always get an accurate bill. But smart meters are about more than just precise billing. They can help us identify faults and respond more quickly to outages, ensuring a more reliable network for everyone. And smart meters can also give you useful, timely information that can help you manage your electricity usage. So how do you make the most of it? Taking control of your energy usage. You can access your smart meter data to monitor your household electricity usage. This can help you make small adjustments, like running appliances at off-peak times, that align your usage with your retailer's pricing structure, which can save you money on your bill. Not sure how to access your data? Start by checking with your retailer. Many now offer apps or online portals where your energy usage is displayed in easy-to-read formats. Your retailer can also help you interpret the data and explain how it connects to your bill. When will I get a smart meter? Smart meters have been rolling out for a while now, and some states have completed their rollout entirely. The Australian Energy Market Commission aims for every residence to have a smart meter by 2030. So if there's nothing wrong with your analogue meter, it might not be replaced with a smart meter for a while. Within New South Wales, your retailer is responsible for installing smart meters, so reach out to them if you want your smart meter installed sooner. Your pricing structure might also change once the meter is active, so a quick conversation can ensure you're prepared for any possible changes. Like any tool, the more you know about it, the better you can use it. So, dive into our online resources to learn more about how smart meters work, how you can access and use your data, and how to discuss smart meters with your retailer.